guys. Shout out. This is Bohemia flowers, not the cherry blossom. This is Bohemia flowers, okay? So look at that. So beautiful. Well, what can I say? I don't know where I am, but this flower is so amazing. That's all. It's very simple. People are here is nonsense anyway. Those are beautiful flower, and that one. So I am here by the way, so I can see it now. And all of there. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. So ayan na po mga guys. So, madaming mga sasakyan dito kasi tumitingin sila sa magandang flowers. Yes. Okay. Video. Ayusin mo po. Thank you so much. Yan pa oh. Ang ganda. May puti oh, there's white, may white po. Ayan, tingnan nyo, ayun may bird po oh. Yan. Yan, ayun oh. Yan, so magpipicture ako, panandalian muna. Ikakat ko to. Ikakat ko to kasi magpipicture talaga ako. Ayan, ang ganda. Ang ganda.